Attention, attention. Hello, I made an unboxing video for these headphones, Faster S5 ANC. I tell the price and many other things, so if you're interested in that, make sure to check the link down in the description or the card in the top right of the video. And with that, let's get right back to the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing because, well, I failed miserably. For some reason that was super hard to open. Well then, enough about unboxing, let's talk about headphones now. Well, I think the only word I can really find for it is that it's absolutely amazing. For its price range, like compared to its competitors, I think they did an excellent job. The battery life, I can't really test it because I don't have a lot of time, so I'll leave that up to you guys. On the box it says 50 hours battery life, but on top it says 8 hours, like here. I'm not sure if you can see, so I'm not really sure what to believe anymore. I would like to think it's 50 hours. Oh, actually no, wait, yeah, so here it is. So charging time it takes to charge is about 2.5 hours. Working time with just Bluetooth is about 50 hours. Working time with only ANC is about 60 hours. Working time with both Bluetooth and ANC is about 40 hours. So I think the conclusion would be, no matter what, you're gonna get amazing battery life with these headphones. Hi, this is Future Me. What past me said is correct. I've been using these headphones for a week now and the battery lost basically forever. You can't even feel it. So what are we talking about? Pros. Amazing sound quality. Like I'm telling you, it's amazing. I have another headphone which had like kind of shitty quality, so I'm really pleasantly surprised with these. The sound quality is amazing. The mic is, I'm not really sure about the mic because I couldn't really test it. When I do a voice recording to someone on WhatsApp, or do a video recording, like if I just make a video, it doesn't, for some reason, it doesn't pick up the mic, which is really bizarre. But if I call someone, then it does pick up the mic. I asked my family and they said that it was good. So yeah, let's believe them, huh? A little video of me enjoying music, but thought I would correct myself. There is no mic. I repeat, there is no mic on the headphones. So disappointing. So good mic, amazing sound quality. Now noise cancellation. Did I talk about that? Okay, yeah, the noise cancellation compared to its competitors like Sony obviously is extremely expensive compared to this, so obviously it would have better sound quality, better everything, and better noise cancellation. But I think in this price range is excellent. The noise cancellation isn't really amazing, honestly. I was a bit disappointed in its quality. It does its job. You can really feel the noise cancellation, but it's a bit lacking, I would say. It can do a bit better. They could do a bit better, and I'm sure if you just up your budget a bit, then you'd get what you want. But other than that, I think they did an excellent job with this, with price range and everything. If your finances are a bit low and you want a good headphone, I think this is the one to go for. There's a sale on Daraz right now, so I think if you're waiting on a good headphone, now's the time to buy it. Hope you guys enjoyed the review and unboxing. Peace.